Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, you know the drill. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an adventure. Today, we're exploring Uxbridge, Ontario, a hidden gem just an hour northeast of Toronto, nestled in the rolling hills of the Oak Ridges Moraine. Founded by Quaker settlers in the early 1800s, Uxbridge has grown from a quiet farming village into one of Canada's most charming small towns, so it's proudly known as the trail capital of Canada, with over 220 kilometers of scenic trails for hiking, cycling and horseback riding, including parts of the Trans-Canada Trail.
So we just met a lovely couple, Emma and Michael,
With the two little girls.
and it was so nice to chat to them. And they've been visiting towns that we've been to, and they recommended some towns we've got to go to as well, Trestle Bridge and Huntsville. And we're going to take their advice. And Michael, Emma, if you see this video, lots of love from us. Bye.
Uxbridge is also rich in culture, from the stunning Thomas Foster Memorial, inspired by ancient architecture, to the historic home of Lucy Maud Montgomery, the beloved author of Anne of Green Gables, who wrote some of her most treasured books here in nearby Liskedale. Whether you're wandering the historic downtown, chasing hidden waterfalls, or soaking in that classic small town charm, Uxbridge is a place where nature, history, and creativity meet. Come explore with us and discover why Uxbridge is truly Ontario's trailblazed treasure.